Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will start exercise 9.5 from chapter 9 algebraic expression. Before starting this exercise we have to we have to know how the identities are used, from where these identities came. So you know the multiplication of algebraic binomial. Now first I want to see that how this identities came. So it is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means this is a binomial, and this binomial will come two times because square power is 2. So a plus b we will write two times, a plus b into a plus b. And now you know how you have to you will multiply this binomial. Now multiply the binomial, open first one and second one will be as it is. So open first one, a into a plus b, a into a plus b, then plus b into a plus b, a into a plus b, plus b into a plus b. Now third step will be monomial to binomial plus monomial to binomial. Monomial a into a square, then plus sign. This plus sign you will write here. Then a into b, ab. Similarly, now this sign you will write, and similarly again you will multiply b into a, and you have to write in as alphabetically. B instead of writing ba you will write ab. A into b or b into a, same, plus b square, b into b, b square. Now see, two like terms are there. So what you will do, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can write that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. From where this 2ab came, you can see it very clearly. So when you will write the identities, when we use this identity, we will directly write a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The process is not required to show in every sum, but from where these identities came, for this showing this reason we have done all this. When you will use a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, you will just use directly these two lines. Okay. Similarly, when we will write a minus b whole square. Similarly, when we will write a minus b whole square, this binomial power 2, that means we have to multiply by a minus b into a minus b. Now the way you are multiplying, the same way you will multiply this also. First we will open this first one, say a, and minus b we are opening this, and this a minus b we will write here a minus b, here also a minus b. Okay. Now monomial to binomial, a into a square minus a into b, ab. Now here you have to concentrate, minus is outside. When minus is outside and you are opening a bracket, then the sign will be changed. So minus b into a, that is minus ab, and minus into minus plus b into b, b square. Again you can see a square minus ab plus b square, like terms, same sign. So you need to add a square minus 2ab, both are same sign, so you are adding this, but the available sign you have to write here, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is our identity. So instead of writing a minus b whole square, the whole thing you no need to write always. You will write a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. This is our second identities. Third one, next one is a plus b into a minus b. The same way of multiplication, you will open this and you will keep it in as it is. Say a and plus b, you are opening these two and you are keeping a minus b here, a minus b, and here also a minus b. So what you are getting here, a into a square minus AB. Here it is plus AB, and plus minus minus B square. Now we can see that AB, here it is minus and here it is plus. Same variable, same power, but opposite sign. So you have to cancel it. So what is remain afterwards? A square minus B square. So we can write that A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. This is our identity. So when you will get this kind of things, this kind of sum anywhere, you can directly write this. If I get this kind of sums, you can directly write this. No need to show all the process inside. So A plus B into A minus B, we can write A square minus B square. Come to the next one. Now next one is 4 identities. X plus A into X plus B, the same way we will multiply. We will open this X plus A, and in this X plus B I will multiply with X and A. Now what we are getting here? X square plus BX, alphabetically you have to write BX plus AX plus AB, A into B, AB. Now X square plus, if I take common X is in both the terms, you can see that X is there. So we can take A plus B into X we can take outside. X we are taking as common. Inside it will be A plus B and then AB. So if we get X plus A into X plus B, we can directly write this one. Understood? X plus A, the first term of the two binomials are same and the second terms are different. So by the use of multiplication, we can see that we are getting the result X square plus AX plus BX or BX plus AX, same as I am taking A plus B as inside and X common. Outside I am taking X, A plus B inside the bracket, then A into B, AB. These 4 identities we will use, we will apply these identities and we will, now these 4 identities we will use, we will apply these identities and we will solve the sum of exercise 9.5. Question number 1. Use suitable identity to get the products of the following sums. Question number 1, X plus 3 into X plus 3. You can write easily, it is X plus 3, as it is coming 2 times, so you can write X plus 3 whole square. And you know the identity of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square, you know. So we will consider first one as it is X plus 3 whole square. Here X we will consider as A and this 3 we will consider as B. So we can use this formula, these identities, and we will write A square plus 2AB plus B square. The same way we will write, instead of A square I will write X square, because A is here X and B is here 3, so 3 square, and then formula 2, A means X and B means 3. This dot is indicating into sign here. Okay, in algebra we will consider as into. So instead of A plus B whole square, we are writing now X plus 3 whole square. So A square, here X square, B square, here 3 square, and 2AB, A is X and B is 3. We will not write in this so elaborately, we will direct use this one. A plus B whole square, X square plus 3 square plus 2 into X into 3, here A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Now the result is X square plus 2 3 is 6, X plus 3 3 is 9. And this is the answer of this sum. Final answer will be x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, come to the next sum. Question number 3, 2 same as question number 1, that's why you will do it as your homework. Question number 3, 2a minus 7, 2a minus 7. That means this same number, same binomial is coming 2 times, you can write 2a minus 7 whole square. We will use second identity, a square, a minus b whole square, minus sign is inside. So a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will consider 2a as a and 7 here as b. And we know that a square minus 2ab plus b square, this is the main difference. When here it is inside it is minus, so only 2ab will be minus. A square and b square both will be plus. Only 2ab, the product of a and b will be negative, minus sign. So here what you will do, a square means 2a whole square, this is our a, and plus 7 square, this is our b, a square plus b square, a square plus b square, 2ab. Before 2ab you need to write minus, because a minus b whole square, before 2ab you have to write minus, and this is the main difference of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Keep it in your mind. So now 2 into a is 2a. Here we are considering a as 2a and b as 7. Now what is the result? 2 2s are 4, a into a square, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, a plus 7 7s are 49. This is the answer of this sum. Come to the next sum. Question number 4. 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2. You can see that same binomial 2 times. So we can directly write 3a minus 2, 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. So it is resemble with a minus b whole square. Here 3a is, we can consider 3a as a and half 1 by 2 as b. So instead of a square minus 2ab plus b square, we will write 3a, which is our a in this sum, a square minus 2 into a is 3a, into b 1 by 2 plus b square means 1 by 2 whole square. You can see 1 by 2 whole square is plus b is here 1 by 2 and plus sign is in front of it. So 1 by 2 whole square. Understood? Now write it here. A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. 3 3s are 9, a into a square, minus, you can see 2 and 2 already into sign, so you can cancel 2 and 2, so it will be 3a only 3a is left here. So plus 1 by 2, 1 1 is 1, 2 2s are 4, and this is the answer of this sum. Okay, by applying the identities we have done only 3 sums, and question number 2 I have given you as homework. Practice this. Thank you, students.